Local news for Friday the 11th of May. For the first time, the New Zealand Defence Force is fully capable of performing operations and trauma care on a Royal New Zealand Navy ship, with a hospital operating theatre, ICU, X-ray and ultrasound facilities, and even a blood bank. Captain Sophie Nightingale, a general surgeon and a New Zealand Army reservist from Wairarapa, works as a general surgeon, a breast cancer specialist in Melbourne, and says, "I think this is pretty incredible. It's a great achievement to have this on board." ANZ Chief Economist Sharon Zollner will be in the region on the 29th. Sharon will be speaking at a business breakfast run by the Wairarapa Chamber of Commerce at Brackenridge Country Retreat and Spa. Local band LA Woman have been signed to a major record label, having recently signed with Island UK. And in sport and club rugby, tonight Gladstone host Ekirahuna, while tomorrow Marist are at home to Greytown, Martinborough are at home to Carterton, and Marston and Red Star take to the turf at 2:35 against East Coast.